Assalamu alaikum my dear kids. Today we are going to learn the new lesson that is THE the SKY sky. What is the meaning of sky, children? We have learned about this in the lesson Our Earth. The sky is very vast. It is very big, isn't it? And sky means what? Asman. The great vast sky. Vast means what? B-I-G, big. Okay, the big sky. We have already learned that when we look up into the air, we see the sky. When you look up, what can you see, children? We can see the sky. We can see different things in the sky at different times of the day. During the day, we can see the bright sun. Sometimes we can see clouds. So we see the different things of the sky at different times of the day, children, right? Like during the day, what we can see? We can see the bright sun. This is the sun. Okay, sometimes we can see clouds, and sometimes what will happen? It will be cloudy. So on that day we can see just the clouds. At night we can see the shining moon and the twinkling stars. And at night time what we can see? रात में हम लोग क्या देखते हैं? We can see the moon plus twinkling stars. What is the meaning of twinkling? Twinkling means going on and off, chamakna. Okay, that is called as the twinkling. So stars will be shining in the sky, right? They twinkle like this. So that is why we call it as twinkling stars. Now let's answer these questions. Which of these do you see the most often? Often means ज़्यादातर आप लोग क्या देखते हैं आसमान में? We see sky, sun, moon and stars, right? Next, can you think of any other things you can see in the sky? Yes, like clouds. Other than these things, we see clouds in the sky. Now let's check out the HOTS. How does the sky look on a cloudy day? How does the sky look when it is cloudy, children? The sky look gray in color, right? So the sky looks gray in color on a cloudy day. Next, during the day, the sky looks blue. At night, the sky looks black. Look at the picture here. This is the picture of daytime, okay? DAY day. So during the daytime, the sky looks blue in color, right? And night time, when you look up the sky, how the night sky will be? It will be black, right? Look at the picture here. It is a picture of night sky, okay? Now let us find out some more about the wonderful things that you can see in the sky. Now let's find out other things that you can see in the sky. A big glowing ball. During the day you can see a big bright ball in the sky. It is called the sun. So during the daytime, day means din ke waqt, what can you see, children? We can see the sun. And how the sun is? It is very big. It looks like a ball. Look at the picture here. It is round in shape, so it looks like a ball and it shines. That is why we are calling it as a bright ball. Okay, so it's a very big bright ball that we can see in the sky during the daytime. It is called as sun, children. SU and sun. The sun shines to give us heat, light and energy. And this sun, what it gives us? It gives us heat. Okay, heat means वो गर्मी देता है. And it gives us light and energy, and also it gives us light, children, isn't it? How the day will be? It will be very bright because of this light given by the sun. And also it gives us energy. Without the sun we cannot live on earth, and we cannot live without sun, children. It is very useful to us. And the sun is huge. It looks small as it is very far from the earth. Sun is very big, children. Very huge. Is huge means very big. Okay, it looks small to us. Why? Because it is very far away. Okay, it is very far away from the earth. That is why the sun looks very small to us, but reality it is very big. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. When the sun sets, night falls. Sun rises means sun जब उगता सुबह सुबह, तो वो कौन से डायरेक्शन में उगता? It rises in the east. ईस्ट के साइड पे उगता. And it sets in the west. Okay, west एक direction है जहाँ पर वो सूरज डूबता. Okay, so sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, actually there are 4 directions: north, east, south and west. Okay, these are the 4 directions. So sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It rises in the east and sets in the west. So when the sun sets, night falls. जब सूरज डूबता क्या होता, children? Night falls, right? रात हो जाती. So when the sun sets, the night falls. Next, twinkle twinkle little stars. At night sometimes you can see many twinkling points of light in the sky. These are the stars. So at night time what we can see? One is moon, And also what we can see the twinkling stars, right? And there are many, we can't count the stars, so these are nothing but the stars. Okay, and we can see this during the night time. Okay, well, I would like to end up my discussion here, children. We'll catch up in the next video with the next part of this lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.